like that? Hey, you pass now, she's talking to me now. You pass seen it oh. Nora, be careful.
Really?
Be careful, I'm warning you.
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you. Poor girl. Go and get yourself a phone. You won't do anything.
Laura.
What?
Laura.
Yes?
Laura.
Yes?
I'm still saying my own no. Be careful.
What is happening here? Will you stop? Muna, get back to your seat. What are you people doing inside while others are outside on break? Eh? Muna, I believe you started this. Haven't I warned against this? Huh? Haven't I?
But Sarge, she was...
Shut up! Shut up! You think here is a dance hall where you come and practice African Michael Jackson? Eh? And African Sonia Day? Opening yourself woo wah bee bo? Eh? Eh? Now come with me. Come here.
Sir, it is Laura.
Will you shut up? I said shut up your mouth. Come here with me.
Greetings, my queen.
Yes, John.
I humbly report the arrival of the Council of Elders, my queen.
Okay. I'll join them shortly.
Yes, my queen.
Your Highness.
Dad.
Son.
Yeah. Yes, I'm back. I assume you're going for your council meetings.
Yes.
Okay.
I am the Prime Minister.
I know.
I do what pleases me. After all, soon you'll be made the king. Since the ghost granddaughter of Queen Rebecca is yet to be seen.
Yeah, but you know, I wish they can find her.
Well, shut up, son. Do not wish her that. Don't you know you are the heir to the throne? The Queen has fooled us long enough.
Okay, fine. Then what if this missing granddaughter of hers is found? What will happen?
Then let her present the princess before the council. Yes. I will see you when I come back.
That girl, I will beat her. I will make sure I beat her later today. I will flog that girl.
You don't have to. She's a whack and you know it. They are all bunch of dreads.
Hey! Hi. You know I'm not good speaking in the public.
But you are good in playing. Come on, you and I know that you are good. Let's wait until the class is over.
She? Okay now. Then let's look for somewhere nice to go and have fun.
Not
Come.
now. Come on. You say you're supposed to go out fun. Rather go inside and learn. It's not yet break time.
Hey! That man, that Uncle Chris, that man hates me. I don't even know what I've done. What will I do?
Just forget it. Let's go and learn.
Okay, well, me, I'm not saying my own. No. That girl, she will collect between today. I will beat her.
My queen, will mind graciously for the presentation of your granddaughter and supposed princess.
That is, if she exists.
I honorably urge you all for patience.
For how long? Our festival is fast approaching, and we need to name an heir or heiress to the throne of Obimoke. Yes. Do you think there's still much time left, my queen?
My fellow council members, if I am allowed to speak.
Yes.
The immunity clause gives the queen the privilege to do whatever she wants to do. And in this regard,
Chief Ibuma, if there was a time for you to be more elaborate in your speech,
That time is now.
Tell him.
There's no need for sarcasm. My late son had a daughter before he died, and I'm aware of it. The mother of the child, that's my granddaughter, the mother to my granddaughter, relocated recently. I'm sure I'll find her and I'll present
To you, your princess, the heiress.
Well, my fellow council members, let your patience be patient. Let's grant the queen her demands.
We've heard you, Prime Minister.
You pick on me always. You mock me. Why? What have I done to you? Now it's my time.
You have been on my neck. You think you are the only beautiful girl. Huh?
You guys should stop. Mona, let's go.
Just leave me alone. I don't want to fight any of you. Am I the only one from a poor background? Am I?
Mona, it's okay. She was angry you won her, that's all.
Really?
Yes.
I've warned you both. Stay away from me.
I can't understand this. What on earth am I supposed to do now? Why would Helen relocate without informing me? I mean, it's so absurd.
Please be calm, my queen. Let's be positive.
I am under pressure here. Can't you get it? I mean, if I cannot present her before the council or during the festival, then the royal leadership of this kingdom will be retracted. And Williams will be made the heir apparent to the throne. I can't let that happen.
Greetings, my queen.
Oh,
Gladly I come with good news.
come on, let it out.
My princess. Children, it's okay, it's okay. Stop playing with my princess. Eh? Can't you see she's just coming back from school? My princess, go home.
I'm going already. But this your princess of the thing. I don't understand though.
Are you not my princess? You're my princess.
But wait though. Uncle Mike, why are you always calling me my princess, my princess, my princess, my princess, my princess? Why?
Nothing, just my spirit directed me to call you my princess. That's why I'm calling you my princess. Okay, is it bad for me to call you my princess?
I did not say it's bad though. It's not a bad thing, no. Just that my mother is always calling me my princess, that's why.
It's okay. Go home now, Go home and rest, my princess.
You see? Again, my princess. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, dear.
My brother, you don't have to be acting like a chicken. Yes. Do you know what you're talking about? To be the heir apparent to the throne of the Opiwo kingdom. This is what every full-born, full-fleshed human being male of this kingdom will accept with all dignity.
Listen, Ken, I know that. But that will only happen if the queen does not provide that girl.
Huh? Then let us pray she doesn't surface. Yes. See, my friend, I want you to be the king. You have to be brave and you have to be brave and strong. Yes. See, if you know all the efforts your uncle is making, every effort he's making for you to be king, you will sit up. Do you know? If your parents were to be alive now, they would have made you the king. You know that?
I agree with you. You're right. But you see, there's a tradition in this land. After the death of King Jason, you know, Richard was supposed to be the king. Richard is no more. Meaning that any child of Richard is supposed to take over the throne. But if he does not have any child, it is left for either me or my father. Right? Good. But right now, the queen is saying that the princess is coming back.
Then let her surface, let us see. Let her show her face. I know I'm saying this, oh. You have to be strong. See, if I ever have my way, I will make sure that that girl disappears forever.
Hey, no,
Yes.
No, please. Don't even say that again. Ken, I am begging you. This is not my style. No, I don't want that. No, don't even think about it. No. Please. Let's just go. But just take that out of your mind. I've heard everything you said. Fine, but
You have to sit up, alright? Like seriously, I want you to be the king.
I know.
My princess, listen. I have told you before, never let anyone make you feel inferior.
Mom, I know who I am. I'm a young girl with great vision. But those people, they are always looking for my trouble. Always insulting me. And I don't want to fight.
Don't need it, okay? Do not fight with anybody. All you need to do is to read your books and make your grades, okay?
Thank you. But I'm not a real life princess. So why are you always calling me my princess? Hey, did you tell Uncle Mike to call me princess too?
No. Did he call you that?
Mm-hmm.
Now go inside, get your sugar so you can have your lunch. Okay?
My princess.
My princess.
Smile, God has blessed you. No one can bring you down. Grace and power surround you, and all your glory shines around. You're a princess shining bright like a star. Royal blood, a princess, that's what
There's a road cut ahead. The road is bad.
So my queen will trek. It's okay, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
What can bring you down? Grace and power surround you, and all your glory shines around. You're a princess shining bright like a star. Royal blood, a princess, that's what you are. You're a princess shining bright like a star. Royal blood, a princess.
This is all tricks.
Jesus. My queen! Hey! Hey! My queen! My queen! You're welcome! You're welcome! My queen, I'm coming! Hey! Ebuka! 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 Hey! My queen, I'm coming! My queen, please. Sit down.
No, no! My queen can't sit on this plastic.
Peter, it's okay. Hey, my queen, please wait. Helen, it's okay. How are you? I'm fine, ma. And how's my granddaughter, your daughter, doing? She just stepped up now, ma. You're welcome. Please, what can I offer you? Water, food, anything, my queen. Sit down. Okay, ma. Why did you relocate without informing me? I've been searching for both of you since. Please forgive me, my queen. Things were so bad for us, we couldn't survive it. We had to move. Remember you asked me to keep Muna's secret. I'm sorry. It's okay. How did you find us, ma? I can always find my way around things. Well, I'll have to wait until my granddaughter gets back. Okay, ma. Let me find you. Oh, Helen, no. Calm down. Sit down. I'm glad to see you. Same here, ma.
I know I did ask you to keep it a secret, but...
Hey, my queen, I'm sorry, please. Helen, forgive her. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I understand how she feels. Now, you go in, take care of her, take care of yourself, right? Okay, I'll be back. Thank you, ma. Your cars? Oh, there's a road cut over there, so we had to park on the other side of the road. That's a wrong road, ma. Let me show you the right one in case of next time. Okay, all right. Let's go. Okay.
Where do you think of going? You can't go this way.
Muna, I trusted you. I believed you. And now look, is this what I get?
Listen, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Explain what? What do you want to explain? You prefer lying to me than saying the truth? Is that it? You. I hate you. I hate you. I hate that woman. I hate this kingdom. I don't want to rule any kingdom. I hate all of you.
Muna. 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 Muna, come back here.
John, now that my princess has been found, I'll want her to have her own chambers, so you'll need to furnish it very well.
Yes, my queen.
And to you, Peter, from now on, you'll be picking her up from her home to school until she comes to live here with us. Hmm?
Okay, my queen.
One more thing, John. I'll need you to employ 2 maids, especially for the princess.
Yes, my queen. The secretary to the state is waiting.
Oh! That reminds me. I had an appointment with him. Well, tell him I'll be with him shortly. Hmm?
Yes, my queen.
Alright. I think that will be all. Okay. Here we go.
My princess, a lot has happened to me.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, yeah, good afternoon. My name is Richard. I am a researcher. I came to this village to do a research.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. I'm Helen. I live in this village.
Okay, that's good. Oh, I'm so happy to see a beautiful woman like you reading.
Thank you. But that is what I do for a living. Are you a student or something?
Oh, yes, I'm a student. Let me help you.
No, sir. Thank you.
I can do it.
No, I don't want you to enjoy yourself. Oh? I'm fine.
No, let me help you.
This is my work.
Let me help you.
Hey, no. Sir, please. Oh, I don't want you to enjoy yourself. Yeah?
No, I won't. Okay, don't worry. Listen.
Hey.
Yeah, am I starting?
Sir, okay. Take this one. Huh?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Am I not doing it? I know how to do it. I'm doing it very well.
It's okay now.
I have not seen a woman that is as hard-working like you all my life.
Hey, and I've never seen a student that is as strong as you are. Not all students will have the strength to win the farm the way you did today.
It's because my parents are very poor. I'm from a poor home. They cannot even afford my school fees, so I have to do this menial job to sponsor myself in school.
Yeah. Sorry, same here. My parents are poor. I'm a poor girl, but it is well. This car passed earlier, and now it's passing again.
Don't mind all for these rich men. Because they have money to buy the big cars. They'll just be dashing. They're all cultists.
No! Don't say that, Richard. Not every big man is evil. Besides, you can see the plate number of that car is covered. It could be somebody very important.
Yes, you could be right. You could be right. But what makes you think not all rich men are cultists?
Richard, I know people say that every rich person is a cultist, but I don't believe that. Do you know why? I know I am poor, I'm a poor girl, but I know I must definitely make it in the future. And if someday I make it and buy myself a car like that, people will start saying she's evil, she has done something. Just like you are. Yes. You are a student now. In the future, you might make it. You can as well get yourself a car like that. So it's not every rich person is evil.
Come. You're very intelligent and wise. How come you're not in school?
I know. Nobody to sponsor my education. Nobody to help me. That is why I'm doing this, my farm work. At least, I'm using it to assist my poor mom and myself. Don't worry, I'm fine. I know you must be very thirsty. Follow me to my house. Let me at least offer you water. Oh? What? Please, oh. You know I'm from a very poor home. Our house is very poor. I don't want you to insult me.
Come on, let's go. Stop it. Okay, what make you think your house is not better than my house?
No, I know my house. The house is not that good at all, but you manage it.
Yeah, let's go.
What do I do now? He deserves a better cup than this thing. How can I serve him with this? Oh.
Be proud of yourself. Be proud of what you are. Give me the water with the cup, I will drink it.
How did you get here?
Give it to me.
Thank you very much for the water and your help.
Thank you, Richard. I'm very sorry I couldn't offer you more. You know I'm a poor girl. Please forgive me.
No, stop apologizing for being real. See, I don't know what to say. I like you for that. Being yourself. Not faking yourself, but just real. So listen, you inspired me. These are the kind of people I want to see. Oh God.
Thank you so much.
Listen. Because of this, we're not friends. Yes, I want us to be friends. I'll always come to this village to visit you.
Thank you.
See me often.
Thank you. What of your research? Are you done with it? Oh. When are you submitting?
Oh yes. I am done. I really acquired a lot. Yes, and I've compiled my report, everything. I will submit very soon. Yeah, very, very soon, but I will still need your help.
Okay. This car again. This car keeps passing around my village. It's starting to look weird, Richard.
Yes. The same thing I told you before, that these rich people with big cars, see, they are all cultists. See, listen, please, you have to go home now. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
No, Richard, I'm fine. Nothing will happen to me. I'm fine. This is my village. Nothing will happen to me.
Sure?
I'm fine. Trust me. Let me walk you down. Oh? Richard.
Yes.
I don't know. Something in me tells me that you are really a nice person.
Wow. Same thing. Something in me also tells me that you're a nice person.
Thank you. can let me walk you.
Okay. Lucy, I said I was going to do it. You walk to that junction, then you go back where I will be going. So that before I get to my junction, without me to your junction.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming around and for managing a poor girl.
Thank you for making me so happy. Listen, we're both poor.
Mama, please. Who told you he's only a man that can make me smile?
I am not a child. I know you, my daughter.
Richard, are you out of your mind?
No, Dad, I don't get you.
How dare you? Go and give her food, if you will. Give her enough money to take care of herself. But she has to leave this compound immediately. Do I make myself clear?
Jason, this is not right.
Son, disobey it for a last time. You will disappoint me again.
Dad, you will do no such thing to her.
My daughter.
He really loves you. He will fight for you. He will make you his wife. His father cannot marry you for him.
God loves a man. Why do you fight?
My daughter, this happened in the life of every girl. If your heart is not broken by any man, that means you don't started life at all.
How are you?
How are you, baby?
For So my mother and I have decided to take you and the baby away from here. Don't worry, don't worry. Oh, I bought some things for you. I'll get to the picture. Okay, let's go. I'll be giving you food. Don't worry.
Helen, it has not come to that. It has not come to that.
Mom, I can't take this anymore. I can't. I'd rather die in that cause than not marry her.
No, son, don't say that. Don't say that. You see, Helen, what I'm saying is that
he wants my baby.
Oh, little girl, why is she crying? Why is she so sad and lonely? Who will wipe the tears in her eyes? The tears of the poor never dry.
Leave us alone. What is it? What is it? Because of you, I lost my mom. What have I not done for your sake, Richard? Listen, your dad can hate me all he wants, even in the spirit for him. Listen, I don't care. You will never have my baby. Richard, leave my way. Richard, leave my way.
Please, Helen, please. Helen.
Open the door. Open the gate!
Leave!
The tears of the poor never dry. The poor always crying.
Leave me alone. You are all that I will never let happen. It will never happen.
Baby, I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Richard, leave me alone. This is it, right? This is why you've been so cold to me. Now dawn on me that all you and your family wanted is the baby. I will never let it happen.
No! I was cold and sick over what my father said. I and my mother have not rested over this. I will marry you no matter what happens to me.
It's not,
no matter
it's not from your heart, Richard. Just go marry whoever your family wants you to marry. Leave us alone.
No one is persuading. No one is persuading me to marry anyone. I felt bad. And why would my father go to this length? Listen, I will do anything. Anything! Even if it's going to take my blood, my last blood, I will do anything to make sure nobody takes away our baby away from you. And both of you will come back to that palace. Yes. Yes. You are my wife! I will marry you!
Listen, she has suffered to find us here.
You'll have to leave right away. You go and take Princess Mona to school. I'll make do with the other driver.
Okay, my queen. I'll leave at once.
Okay. Yeah, so Dad, tell me, how...
Good morning, madam.
Oh, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm here by the order of the Queen to take Princess Mona to school.
Oh, wow. She has left for school already.
Oh, it's okay. Let me run along. I need to pick up the Queen. Do take good care of yourself.
You too, huh?
All right.
No, I can't believe this. You mean your girl is a real-life princess?
Can't believe this.
I
can't believe it.
Even she herself, no. Man,
wow. Even to the extent of being an heiress to the throne. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
What? An heiress to the most wealthy and popular kingdom in this community. Eh? Hey.
Now, me breaking this news to you guys is not to start seeing her as a princess. I get over there. Now, two of you and our clique to start seeing me as a king.
Abi, I hail you. My bros, I hail you.
Your bros. My king, I hail you.
You need to hold on this girl tight. Don't let her escape. You know you both have been so close. Tell her now.
You're a bad boy. You don't need me to tell you what you have to do. You suppose know what you go do. Of course. Use your brain.
Love for you. You the fuck up. Nah. Come on, we don't move.
Sir,
Yes.
You made me a promise that if I told you everything happened in the palace, you'll make me proud.
Yes. I was the one that put you in that job. So I know what I'm going to do for you. Now tell me the truth. Did she find the princess?
Yes, she did.
Are you sure of what you're telling me? Because I heard that she didn't find him.
I went with her to the ghetto. I saw her myself. She has grown into a beautiful lady. Soon she'll be returning back to the palace.
I can't believe this. So the story was true?
Yes, I know there. I can even take you to that place.
No. You have done all I expect of you. All you have to do now is tell me the address. Let me visit them myself.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Damn! I'm so happy for you!
Yeah.
Wait, so my friend will soon become the next king.
That's the point. You know, I know you've been thinking all this while that I've not been showing so much interest and I've been doing somehow.
Yes.
Listen, I've been doing and acting like that because I do not want to put all my hope in this thing. You know, like putting all your eggs in one basket.
Yes.
Yeah, so I've just been relaxed but now I know that the girl does not exist. So I am in charge. I am the next king. Legitimately. No cut corners.
I can't wait.
Yeah, that's it.
Because, wait, when are they going to present you to the council? That is in preparation for the kingship, so that I can come and say, oh, you my king.
And you know what I will do to you? I will just tell you like this. It's okay. It's okay.
You're already preparing for the kingship.
And you need to get used to it. Bend again. You need to be flexible, my man. Flexible. That's it. You can just be walking and be doing like this. I know you're happy for me.
Yes.
But you will enjoy.
That's why I'm fighting.
You will enjoy it.
That's why I'm fighting, because I know. I know if it comes.
Everything will change.
I feel like that's.
I will change your jeans.
Celebration, right? Celebration. We celebrate it. Hey! Come here. Come. What did I hear you say? You're listening. Did you just call high with the arms? Is that what you said? Don't you know that this is the next king of Obimo Kingdom? Inayala! Don't you have respect? Hi, Williams.
I know he's a prince,
Uh-huh.
but not the heir to the throne, okay?
Okay. So even the prince, you don't even have respect for the prince? What kind of generation is this?
Ken,
Can you imagine?
Ken, calm down. Calm down.
Girls of nowadays?
Ken, calm down. Stop stressing yourself. Why are you wasting time with this girl? When you see my future maidens, you know them. People that will come and sweep the palace for me. Come inside this car. Let me take you somewhere and spoil you. Yeah. Don't waste your energy. My mom. But you need to call me Igwe. It's okay.
Where have you been? I sent for you, but you were nowhere to be found.
I went to check if the lady that mends clothes is out.
Since when are you saddled with the responsibility of mending clothes? Well, anyway, you'll have to go in there and you and John will be going for shopping. And Peter, do stand by. You're taking me somewhere. I'm sure we'll be back before the school dismisses.
Okay, my queen.
All these years, thanks to Bella, I think it's time for me to visit her. By the time you find out that she's dead, let me know how this will become the fate of this land. I will show you that I have a stronger mind than you are.
Not only that, but the heresy is one of
I know it will be funny, but not a liar or a rabbit. Be serious for once.
I'm serious, Joe. I am the heiress to the throne of Obimo Kingdom. I just wanted to lie low until I get the crown.
I don't see it. What happened? Don't tell me what that body is.
My mother hid it from me. As the princess of the Obimo Kingdom. You'll be happy, right? It's okay. Peggy, that's what I was saying. I know what to do. Come, let me show you.
So I want to make sure that you both are safe. So I'm making plans to get you out of here. Hey,
thank you, my queen.
And do tell her not to reveal her real identity to anyone.
I will, ma. I will. I am so glad that she has finally accepted.
Thanks. I
I'm sorry about all this. Yes. The girl in question is a very wretched girl from a wretched home. Please, please, please. I have handled her. She's just a troublemaker. I have handled it. Your children are safe. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. All right. Bye.
Anyway, let me run along. I will probably see you when you come.
Okay, sir.
So, have a good day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Please say hi to the princess.
I will, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Clara, please. Please, I beg you. I don't want to insult you. So you better stay on your own. I know I'm poor, so just allow me. Are you hearing me?
Well, as a daughter of a rich man, I even bring myself down for talking with you.
Insulting me.
Don't mind them. Very soon they'll start respecting me.
Peggy.
My princess.
Good afternoon.
I'm here to take you home.
How did you know I was here?
Of course, this is your school. Let's go home.
Okay.
Always crying, the world is hard and life is unfair to an ordinary poor girl. The tears of the poor.
Yes. Who wants to tell you something before he dies?
No. Where is he?
Come, let me go.
Mommy, please just help me hold this. I need to see Robin. Let's go.
Will you not change your school uniform at least?
Mommy, I'll be right back.
They're beautiful. I'm sure they will look good on her.
Yes, my queen. I got the samples from a girl her age at the shop.
Thanks so much, John. I can't wait to have her come live here in the palace with us. I have to present her to the council tomorrow or next.
Oh, okay. That's fine, my queen. Don't you think it'd be nice for her to come around now for her makeup?
Oh, yes. Invite the makeup artist and do make sure the house is ready as well. I want them to move out of that environment into the new house tomorrow or next.
Yes, my queen. Bella, take the clothes to her room.
Muna. Muna. Papa. Is Muna around?
Robin.
Yeah.
What happened to you?
Nothing happened to me. Why do you ask?
Because your friend Kazim came here and said you were dying and you needed Muna. Muna ran off with him. She didn't even change from her school uniform.
Why would Kasim lie against me? And besides, I didn't send nobody here. Last time I saw Kasim was in the morning.
What? I hope he's not up to something funny. Why would he come and take away my daughter like that?
No, just Calm down. You know what? I will go look for them. Just calm down, eh? Go inside now.
I hope he's not up to something funny.
Let's get Peter. We're going to Helen's place right away. My granddaughter has been adopted.
Oh girl, always sad. Oh little girl, why is she crying? Why is she so sad and lonely? Who will wipe the tears in her eyes? The tears of the poor never dry. The poor always crying. The world is hard and life is unfair to an ordinary poor girl. The tears of the poor never dry. The poor always crying. The world is hard and life is unfair to an ordinary poor girl.
Good day, Uncle.
Welcome, the latest prince in town. The true heir to the throne of...
Yeah. Uncle, you can say it again. I went out today and I unleashed everything out. You needed to see the respect that I got.
That was just it for tonight. Get ready. Next tomorrow, you'll be presented.
I can't wait. You know, Uncle, I'm already like it.
Whatever happens, you better start putting your things together because once she's found, you'll be in this place.
No, my queen. I can't live here. I have my little business I'm managing. I can't live like that.
Yes, you will leave. You will leave. What happens if I'm not able to present her to the council by tomorrow? I'll lose the throne. She will lose the crown. I just cannot begin to imagine. Come on, please. Is this
everything he said was true. Completely finished. I mean, how did he get to know this place? And how come you never told me that the devil himself came here? The devil?
Take care of yourself.
Where did the Queen and her secretary go to? I just came around to find out how far she has gone with her search for the princess. Go ahead.
Now, you keep trying and make sure that once you get this girl gets make sure that the policemen come back here and stay here, right? Alright. See you then. Okay, let's go.
My queen. Good morning, my queen. My queen. My daughter is yet to be found.
Not to worry, everything will be okay, right? I've gone to a higher authority and all will be well. Take it easy. Where are the policemen?
They left to search for her.
Oh. Okay. Helen, I know that right now we're under a lot of pressure, but I just want you to calm down. Try and put yourself together. I will release my guards to accompany the policemen on their search and also make monetary offers to anyone who can help locate where she is.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you. I'm grateful.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. It's going to be fine.
My queen, I don't know why these boys are doing this to my daughter. What did she do to them?
Calm down.
They will pay for it. My queen, the police should be here by now.
That's true. Joan, put a call through to them and let's find out what's keeping them.
Yes,
Uncle, this one you are all alone sitting down here smiling. What is going on?
My boy, my plans have come to perfection. Sit down, let's...
God. To the throne of Obimo Kingdom.
Doesn't look like a princess.
William!
Come here, please. Where are you going? Huh? What's the meaning of this? Why didn't you tell me? Why will you allow me to humiliate myself just like that?
I was told this by a reliable suspect. How this happened, I cannot tell.
You see, I said it. I had the feeling that something is not right. I told you about this thing. Just can you imagine the insult?
If she did not appear, by now you would have been presented to them. Just to go home. Relax. The war is about to start. I'll meet you home, okay? You will be the king of Obimo Kingdom. Mark my words. Let's go. Everything here belongs to you.
Sorry, Mr. Peter. Do you mean all those things here belong to me?
Yes. The queen paid for and furnished it for you.
My God will bless the queen. I'm very grateful. Please tell her I am so happy. I'm praying for her. God will bless her more for me. God.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. I understand how you feel. It's okay.
Mr. Peter, I will have to go back to my former house to get my things there.
No, you don't need to. Whatever you want, tell me. I'll get it for you. If you go into the bedroom, look into the wardrobe, you will see new clothing. Everything you want is in this house.
God.
I don't think you need to go back to that suburb.
Chief Patrick! What? What do you want? Please wait. Wait for us. We want to go by your car.
Did you come by my car? Or do I look like a taxi driver? Leave me alone, please.
Please, we are not quarreling. Chief! Huh? Patrick, it's serious. Chief.
Why would anyone want to kill my friend?
Well, thank God she's not dead. She's fine. She'll be all well and good. Don't cry. My princess, don't cry. Listen, I promise you she'll be well taken care of. You'll go and see her. And also, I'll take care of Mike's burial. Everything will be fine.
I trusted him. He was the only guy I was ever close to. Grandma, please. I really want to see my friend. I want to see Peggy.
My angel, the driver will take you to see her. And listen, everything will be fine. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, my princess. Thank God we made it. You're now the crown princess. Well, as it is, we'll have to teach you a little bit of the royal etiquette.
Royal
etiquette. I mean, that is the way, the royal way a princess should behave. All well and good. Everything will work out right fine. But now, you need to stop crying and eat something. So let's go to the dining. That's my angel. It's okay. She's well, so everything is fine. It's okay, my princess. It's okay.
William, stop this! Stop this! I don't know what I have a problem with you. Alright? Whether you like it or not, I am born in these clothes. I will not stop! I will not let you do this! Why? I will not let you do that, Williams! Listen, Williams, that you do not succeed in being the king of Obimo Kingdom does not mean that you are not the prince of this land. Listen, my man, you are royal. You are royal, for God's sake. Okay, now imagine when there is an occasion at the palace, what are you going to wear? I don't care. In fact, I will not attend. Listen, Ken, you are saying all these things because you don't know how I feel. You needed to be there. They embarrassed me. I just went there to disgrace myself, just like that. Can you just calm down? Why are you telling me to calm down? There are still chances for you. Calm down. I don't need any chance. You need to be there. You see, you need salt. Listen, just let go. Just let go of this clothes. There is no point because I'm not wearing this anymore. No. Don't do this. Don't just do this. Okay, just calm down. Welcome, Chief.
What is going on here?
Welcome, Chief. Williams here wants to burn the clothes. He wants to set it ablaze.
Why?
Search me.
Because you're angry over what happened at the palace?
Don't I have the right to be angry? Why won't I be angry when the source of information is not correct?
And I told you to calm down. That the war has just begun. You are the next king of this kingdom. Okay. It's a promise.
Okay.
Listen, if that little brat, that little girl that called herself princess, knows what she's about to get into, she wouldn't have come out from wherever she was hiding. Take these clothes and stop acting like a chicken. Come on. Well, come on, son. Be a man.
Calm down, okay? You still have your chances.
I can't believe. So this is what we've been missing.
The queen said it's our new house.
Yes. This is our new home. But I want to stay with you. You know I cannot stay without you. I want to stay with you.
No. Listen, you know you are now the new crown princess. You have to go back to your people. They need you. You can't stay here with me. I will always be by your side anytime you need me. Okay? No.
Whenever you want to see me, you can come around. Okay? I'm happy.
So young man, what do you want here?
I came to look for a job.
Came to look for a job?
Yes.
So what kind of job are you applying for?
No, anything. Anything at all I am willing to do. All I need is a job. Anything at all.
Anything. In that case, book him for interview. Just book him.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Thank you.
Come with me.
Thank you. Thank you.
And with a smile. Okay, now, I'm going to keep my down. Watching and waiting. No. Princess, no. That's for me. Come. Just take it. Relax. I'm sure we'll get there one day.
Yes. And that means you don't know me. You don't know me very well.
My Chief Patrick.
I have to go home now. Have a lot.
Kai, let me run alone.
I want to do it myself. Soon you'll be crowned the queen of this land. And you're ruling it. You have to learn how to use the cutleries. You must be able to represent the community properly and well.
But I was crowned yesterday.
Oh yes, you were crowned, but as a princess, not the queen. You'll soon be crowned the queen of the land, and you would begin to host international guests.
Okay.
Let's go on.
Like a queen?
Yes. Mona, take it easy. I know you can do this, and look at me. That's the fork there. Aha, that's it now.
Peter, just stop here.
My princess, any problem?
Listen, from now on, if you must pick me, you can wait here that I will come out, okay?
My princess, Are you sure you're safe?
Yes. I don't just want anyone to know that I'm a princess. Okay? Then if I close, I'll call you.
It's okay, my princess.
Take care.
All right.
Please, my grandma.
I will. Make sure you take good care of yourself.
Okay, sure.
All right.
Greetings, ma. Yes, today's the test.
Oh, are you the one meant to start work at the palace today?
Yes, Auntie. My name is Ken.
It's okay. I have your details already. Guard, take him round. Ken, right?
Yes.
I hope you've been acquainted with the rules and regulations.
I am very glad to have you all here, my honorable council members. The constitution of the land stipulates that after 7 days, the princess must be presented to the community.
You have done greatly well, my queen. I don't think there's more to discuss. We should allow the community.
You are right, Chief Ekele. But let me quickly remind this council that the princess is incomplete.
Chief Ukalo.
Yes?
Are you trying to tell this council that the princess is deformed?
No. But we all know that after 19 days of our presentation to the community, in which she will perform all traditional rites, we will all crown her. But the constitution forbids any prince or princess to be crowned without a wife or a husband. Yes.
Thank you.
Oh my God. This place is wonderful. Muna. This is where you now live.
I am the princess in this beautiful house. Isn't that glorious?
Very well. My dear, you were born blessed.
Yeah, I know. Just come. Let me go and change into my royal regalia, and I can show you my chambers and every other place.
Greetings to the morning star, the princess of the great Obima kingdom. Oh, God has blessed the day I set my eyes on you. Forgive the interruption, my princess. My name is Ken, the newly employed guard.
Oh, okay. Thanks for your praises, Ken. Come,
Long live the princess, the jewel, the only eye of the great Obima palace. Your kingdom will never end. Yes, you will prosper, my princess.
Thank you once again, Mr. Ken. Come on, Peggy. Let's go.
Let me warn you. Go back to your duty post at once.
Yes, sir.
Muna. Oh, sorry, Princess Muna. You mean this is your bedroom?
Very nice. Me too. I love her too.
My dear angel. See,
Me, what is your plan?
This is good. Now you see why I told you to start preparing. Ken is in there to give me lead. All right? If they decide to choose any guy, I'll make sure he doesn't live to marry the princess.
Uncle, now I know your plans, so I'll know how to venture into it.
Yes.
I know one thing for sure, that it will be easy for me to get a wife and the other way.
Absolutely. And now that Bella is here, both of you can start to get to know each other so that she can become your wife as soon as possible.
Thank you, Chief.
Yeah, come there.
Mona, you not eat with fork and knife. Baby, that's what I've been learning since, so imagine me eating with fork and knife. Please, I can't eat with that. You better drop it and use your spoon. Peggy.
Come on, my angel.
Peggy is here.
Oh, Peggy. How are you doing? I'm glad to see that you're doing very well.
Friend.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Eat your food. I didn't know you were eating already.
Grandma, come and join us.
I'm fine. I'm fine. So, Peggy, how are you doing now? You're feeling well now.
Yes, my queen. I came to thank you for all you've done for me. If not for you, I would have been dead by now.
It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. We thank God for everything. Thank God. And you too. The next time I see you seated while the princess is eating, you will be fired. Do I make myself clear? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sorry. Sorry. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me. She asked us to sit and eat with her. Why is it a problem to you? Even though she did, you don't have to sit with her. The queen does not joke with the princess, please.
But it's true. She's making sense. Next time, I will not sit with her again. I'm not sure. No trouble.
Hello, girls. Hi. Where have you been? The queen have been looking for you. Why is she looking? Have I not suffered enough in this palace? What did I hear you say? You heard me. Very soon, you all will be bowing down to me. I need some rest. Bella, are you okay? Very okay. Okay, you're not serious. Oh my gosh. I don't know for how. Oh, no voice coming.
Sweetheart. Trust me, I'm going to make sure he succeeds in this. Oh.
There is laziness in this palace.
Come out of that sauce. Paris. What am I even thinking?
It's cool. It's already time. But your ring is splendid.
Alright.
Well, yes. But you see, she's not really my kind of girl. But I'm just playing along.
be in my office.
Point of correction, Princess.
Oh, so sorry, Princess Mona. You're welcome, my queen.
Thank you very much. You see, my granddaughter, the heiress to Obimo Kingdom, has told me quite a lot about your school. And I'm here to make a change.
Please, my queen, don't do this. Please. I never knew she is a princess. Please, princess, forgive us, please. I'm sorry.
I've been taking rubbish from students in this school. Even when they get in my way, you blame me for it. Grandma, I don't think a princess can stay here.
Please. I know you're a good girl. You don't have a bad heart. See, I promise from now I will make it up to you. You being in this school alone is a plus for us. Please. Forgive me. Please. When people know that you're here, it takes the school to greater heights. My princess.
Well, Madam Principal, I will no longer tolerate any hostility towards my granddaughter, Princess Mona, the heiress.
My princess.
I'm going somewhere.
Oh, my princess, I'm not a driver.
I understand. But I just want you to take me there. I will enjoy it more if you do.
Okay, my princess.
Now, you have to start going.
Okay, these are my friends and relatives that are looking for a wife.
No, they're all too old for her. She's a young girl.
My queen, we don't have time. We have barely 17 days. The princess might lose out on this.
Never. I don't know what to do. I know we're in a critical period, but I know I have to do something. John.
My queen.
What do we do? I mean, it seems like Chief Patrick has bought over all the elders.
My queen, why don't we present this man to the princess? She might like any one of them.
No, they're too old. She's a young girl. She needs a young man.
So what do we do, my queen?
What is it? You asked to see me.
Well done. You have done very well. Williams, both of you need to start making arrangements. Okay? I told you they'll fail this time.
Yes, they have failed. You have succeeded, Chief. There's no way they will get another man to marry her before the deadline.
No way. That's impossible.
No, I am so happy. This is a masterpiece. I cannot wait to have this thing on my head.
I told you. I told you. Ken will succeed in his own plans.
He's already succeeding. He's not very close to the princess. Yes.
I trust him. I trust that boy. I know why I gave him that job. Now the queen will start to see that her stubbornness will come to nothing. Williams, here is your wife. You two need to start getting along and prepare for the throne. Bella.
Sir.
You can stay the night.
Thank you, sir.
Stay the night. I mean, you can pass the night. Yes.
I'm so happy everything eventually is working out for my good.
Yeah. But you see, I am not surprised because I knew it would work out. You know, my uncle is somebody that when he sets out to do something, he must always achieve it.
I hate that queen. She's selfish. She's so full of herself.
I agree with you. But you see, do not worry about the queen. Very soon, she will step down. We will take over the chambers. Trust me.
I trust you.
That's it.
Baby. Try faster. So that we'll go home.
Why are you so much in a hurry? If we get home now, what will happen?
We will just pray. Yeah, pray to God to help us get to the throne faster.
Just pray.
Yes.
Let's go and pray.
Okay. Bad guy.
Yeah.
My king.
Yeah. My princess, whatever it is that troubles you, you sure do know it has an expiry date. I don't want you to cry. I want you to cheer up. Please.
Ken, I don't know what to do. I'm confused. If I lose out, it will break my grandmother.
What could that be? No. My princess, I know I am a nobody. I know I'm just an ordinary guard in the palace. But my advice can go a long way to help you. You deserve everything good in life. You don't deserve to cry. Not tears.
Ken, I understand. It's just that I cannot share it with you. Not because you're a palace guard, but for security's sake. I hope you understand.
Yeah.
Listen, Ken. Take me to a pub. I want to drink.
A pub? I don't get it, but I thought you said we're going to your friend's place, Peggy. Why a pub?
Just do as I've said. Take me there. I want to ease the troubles in my heart. Just drive!
Okay. You sure you don't want me to sing for you?
Go on. Come and sit down. Tell them to get you a glass.
Oh no, my princess. I was not sitting with you.
I command you to sit. Sit down. Hello? Please get me a glass.
Yes, my princess.
As long as you're here, you're no longer a guy, but my friend. So tell me more about yourself.
Okay, my princess. I must tell you, this is not the right thing for you. Don't you think people might recognize you?
Okay. Tell me, what's the essence of becoming the crown princess without a man by your side? Just tell me more about yourself.
Okay. I am Ken from Umakama village. I'm an orphan. I came back to the village after I lost my parents in a costly motor accident in Lagos State. That is where I was born and brought up. Stand up.
My legs are heavy.
Yes, my princess. Yes, my princess. Please.
Kiss me again.
It's time for us to go. My princess.
Please tell me, what happened to her?
She's drunk. Yes, I tried to stop her, but please. The queen must not hear about this. Please.
There is no point in begging me. She knows already. How could you have allowed her to get drunk?
I tried everything possible. She wouldn't listen. What would I have done?
You didn't try at all. What's wrong now? What happened to my granddaughter? Huh? What happened to her?
My queen, I'm sorry.
Ken, what happened?
My queen, I'm sorry. My queen, I tried to stop her, but she wouldn't listen. My queen, she took a whole bottle of red wine alone.
My God. Oh, why would Princess do such a thing to herself?
But why did you not call me?
When I don't have your number. Yes, she has, but she didn't allow me to call you.
Oh. All right, just leave. Leave. Go. Mavis, you stay with her. Take care of her. Alert me once she's awake, right?
Okay, my friend.
Oh.
Good morning, my future king.
Can you imagine what I saw on Facebook?
What?
Here. Ken kissing the princess at the bar.
Are you sure this is true? Why would he do a thing like this?
This is confusing. Or is it possible that Ken has fallen in love with the princess?
No, he dare not do that. But on the other hand, it is to our own advantage.
Why? How?
For a princess to kiss a man in a public place is a big minus for her to attain the throne of Obimo Kingdom. Yes, she is going to be disqualified from sitting on that throne. Based on that.
So, what do we do now?
What else do we do? We have to wait for time. The ball is in our court. Time, my son.
My queen, I found it difficult to show you this. Now I have to. What is it? What?
Yes, a princess. What's this? How did you come about this?
I saw it on Facebook, my queen.
Face? My goodness. What do we do? What can we do? This is not fair. Yeah? How can I do it? For what? Yeah?
So this is what you came to this palace to do. You.
Me? Am I mad? Yeah? Even you can't even understand with me. I didn't do it. I did not.
Mark. Yes, boss. Take him out of this palace at once.
Yeah, wait, please. Please, I beg you. Yeah? I did not do it. I'm telling you the truth.
Ken. Hey. You know what you have to do now? Undress yourself before you leave this place. Because you're not taking anything that is of royalty out of this palace. Be fast!
No. Okay.
Hey!
Be fast. God,
hey! Be fast about it.
Can't you understand with me? Eh? Understand with me now.
Don't let me lose my temper. Fast. Everything.
Understand with me now. Eh?
Whatever you did bring into this palace, you're not taking it out of this palace. Fast. His shoes. We bought him this shoe. Including the socks.
See, bros.
Be fast about this thing!
He's the one removing it now. But I can't do this kind of thing. You know now. I can't do it. Eh?
Take off his shoes.
You see, the thing is refusing to come out.
Take off his shoes.
Even the shoes too.
Fast. stockings. Hey, come. Get the watch.
The watch is...
Is what? Is what?
Nothing. Sorry, sir.
Out.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Grandma. Ken is innocent. I caused everything. He tried stopping me when I asked him to take me to the bar.
Nice. I hate men like that. Why would he take you there?
Because I forced him. I commanded him. Do you expect him to disobey me?
So, you forced him to kiss you? Did you also force him to kiss you? Do you know what you've done? You've just thrown away the throne. And there's nothing else I can do. That's it.
Grandma, no. No, Grandma. Grandma, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But you know it's my right.
Oh yeah? It's your right, right? It's your right to show to the whole community that their future queen is an irresponsible young girl at a young age. You have failed yourself. You failed me. And I'm not happy with you. I'm so disappointed.
Grandma.
Ken, what happened?
Sir, I was disgraced and stripped out of the palace. Innocently, wrongly accused.
Wrongly? I saw it in the news. But it's okay. Because she will be disqualified from being the queen.
Disqualified? Why? But sir, I didn't kiss her. Yes, she was drunk. She wanted to throw herself at me, but I refused. People were taking pictures and that's how it came online.
Ken, it's okay. You did very well. As long as you did poison her food, she will soon die.
Sir, I didn't. Yeah, I'm sorry I lied to you. I could. Sir, she was just a good girl. She was just a good girl. She was so nice to me that I couldn't find myself to do it.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me go inside and get something. Then we'll stroll down. I'll show you the land I promised you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, she's a very responsible girl.
Mommy, you don't get it. Ken is innocent. I caused all this.
How?
He's innocent. He's a gentleman. He's nice. He's fun to be with. Do you know that he sings for me? Mommy, please. Ken is in trouble. Please just help me.
It's okay, I promise. I am going to speak to the queen about it myself. Okay? Calm down. Don't let it bother you anymore.
Thank you, Mom. But at your palace, I want to go there again. I don't want to be queen again.
No way.
They should just eat it.
No way. You are going back tomorrow morning. Remember, you will still be presented to the community. So, you'll go back. I will speak to the queen myself. Smile for me.
Smile.
Smile for me. My baby. It's okay.
Uncle, where is Ken? I searched everywhere for him. I went to the palace. I was told that the queen sent him out. What is going on? Where can he be?
I don't know. He might have gone out.
I don't think so. There is no way Ken can make such a decision without telling me. We are all he has got. Eh? And I don't think that Ken will kiss the princess. There is something that is not right. Something is going on.
Then you don't know your friend. He has failed you. He has failed us.
And how did you know? Have you heard from him? Huh? Or did he tell you with his mouth? Because I remember you saying something about writing him off. Uncle, I hope it's not what I am thinking. Eh? Because Ken is my very good friend. Where is Ken? If anything happens to Ken, I will not take it from you.
I don't have anything to do with his whereabouts. He is guilty. That is why he has been running away from you. Huh? I need some sleep.
Alright, Uncle, I've heard what you've said. Uncle, just hold on 1 minute. So that we won't be in the same track. I will search for him again tomorrow. But Uncle, if I can't find him, I will go against you. Yes. Ken is a very good friend of mine, and I value the friendship more than the truth.
How can I catch some sleep after what you just said? Hey, Williams.
My honorable council members, I'd like to move a motion for the amendment, the constitutional amendment, in the case of my granddaughter, Princess Muna, getting a husband before she can be installed as the queen of the land.
My queen, just tell us that she has not found a man than bringing that story of constitutional amendment.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I'm sure you all are witness to the fact that it's a lot easier for a man to find a wife than the other way around. And moreover, my granddaughter is still quite young.
My queen, do you realize that the princess ought to be installed within 15 days from now, and 29 days have passed? How do you think you can effect the constitutional amendment before that time?
Now, let me quickly remind us that there is an irresponsible saga that is in the air, which concerns our dear princess and her flirtatious movement towards a certain guard.
God.
Named Ken. I don't know if you want to talk about it, or if you're ready to talk about it.
Where's my grandma?
She's in the meeting with the Council of Elders. What is the matter?
I have to see her. I must see her. I know they are deciding my fate, but it's time I let them know what I really feel.
My princess, don't you think it would be unwise for you to invade the queen? She may be upset.
I don't care. Maris, wait for me in the room.
Yes, it's a shameful act. Are we still going on with making an irresponsible girl our future queen?
No way.
I disagree. I am not irresponsible, sir.
Muna, why don't you wait for me in your chambers?
No, Grandma. It's time I stand up and speak for myself. I'm a true born of this kingdom. So tell me, what's the crime that a young girl committed to have played with her husband to be?
Husband to be?
Abomination.
Yes. I want to marry Ken.
Marry him?
I love him. Grandma, I really want to marry Ken. I love him a lot.
Listen. Greetings to you all. What greetings, Your Highness?
Yes, what do you have for us, Mr. Williams?
Your Highness, I'm here.
Are you okay? Not have you come here to ask me? I'm not going anywhere.
Settle this right here and now. I am asking you, where is Ken?
My elders.
My elders, with all due respect, Your Highness, I am no longer interested in the throne. I do not want the throne anymore. The throne belongs to Muna, so I am quitting. I don't want anything. The race for the throne, I don't want anything to do with the throne. All I want right now is for Mr. Patrick to tell me where is Ken.
Does he know Ken?
Your Highness, yes. Mr. Patrick here sent Ken to this palace
To kill me?
yes, but Ken did not do it. Your Highness, Ken is innocent. He carried away, but I did kiss her. I did. I know I am not wanted here. I know I am a nobody. But
Pure somebody.
you like just as Mr. Patrick asked me to.
Sir, you know you and my nephew Williams have been very good friends for a long time. Yeah, Nick. It's about time we did something meaningful for you. I want us to have it. Okay. How? Good. I want you to get a job at the palace and ensure that you land that job. I want you to be very close to the princess because you're going to be my idol. Okay, but sir, if I get there, should I tell them you sent me? No. You're on your own when you get there. Until you get the job, then I'll tell you why you're there.
Okay. So, did he give you any more details?
No, he didn't. He only said I should get close to the princess. That's all.
I think my uncle has a plan.
Yeah, he sure does. And to think of it, they don't know we're friends. They don't.
So I already got the job at the palace. I was employed as a palace guard. They asked me to come and start work tomorrow.
Good. You betrayed me. My God will judge you.
I hate you.
Move him! Move! I'll hold this. Move! Let's go.
So if no be say now they find these two guys now. We plan behind me go kidnap this girl. I forgot him, Jeff.
Nah, Robin, see, you suppose they praise God now. See, you suppose on Sunday you suppose go church, go give thanksgiving because waiting God do for you. I know the small thing.
No, God no deal with me. Can't give me princess as a girlfriend.
Nah, God
you don't get princess as a girlfriend before.
For we I see girlfriend. But see, guy, you see that ghetto? From now on, that ghetto. Oh, mommy, I know they there again.
Now school things, now I don't go back school.
If you no go back, guy, me, I don't go. Even though if I no go school, guy, me, I don't go back to business.
What's going on, young lady? What's the meaning of this?
I came to beg you. Please don't do this to me. I beg you.
Listen.
I beg you.
Just shut up and get out of my way. I do not want to have anything to do with you because you are evil and you're criminal.
It's not true.
Listen, don't touch me. If you touch me, I will give you a death slap.
You know I was doing all that because of you.
My friend, will you shut up before I slap your face? You're doing what because of me? Listen, let me clear that down. You're doing that because of your own selfish reasons. You did all that because you thought I was going to marry you. Stay out of my way or I will crush you. I am warning you.
But that was the agreement now. Are you not supposed to be my king? Wasn't that what you people promised me? Please, oh, please, I beg you, please don't do it now, please now, please. My king.
We shall all proceed outside for the final celebration.
God has blessed you. No one can bring you down. Grace and power surround you, and all your glory shines around. You're a princess shining bright like a star. is in her